Some casual woodwork or some DIY carpentry projects are always on our minds, and we recently recognized that having a quality workbench would make them a lot easier. But we don't want those full-sized wall-length benches that would fill up, say, the entire end of the garage. That's why we've been scouring the internet for high-quality small benches that are portable and versatile enough to be moved around while still providing us with the functionality we require. Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel, where we curate the best products on the internet for you. Today, we bring you our list of the top 6 best portable workbenches available now. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 6. DeWalt Express Folding Workbench. While most workbenches have intricate rails for squeeze clamps or bench dogs, this DeWalt model provides a simpler solution. While it can support up to 1,000 pounds, it also contains various holes for sawdust management as well as clamps and bench dogs. This model, made of ABS plastic and steel, unfolds and sets up quickly, and the 33 by 24 inch work area provides enough of workspace. We found out a few more things too. First and foremost, this is a heavy-duty model from a brand we know and trust. It's also lightweight and straightforward to assemble, and cleaning dirt and shavings from the work area is as easy as a fast sweep. If there are any criticisms, it is that this table may not be as stable from front to back as we would like. In addition, unlike the other versions we listed, it did not include any bench dogs or clamps. Number 5. Keter Folding Table Workbench. A workstation that can withstand the rigors of a professional job site while remaining lightweight enough to carry is essential for heavy-duty jobs. This portable workstation by Keter weighs only 27 pounds, but has a weight capacity of 1,000 pounds, making it a perfect choice for professional jobs too. This intimidating workbench is made of heavy-duty resin and has aluminum legs for added robustness. 2 12-inch clamps lock stuff to the workstation, which has a 33-inch by 22-inch worktop. When finished, it folds into a 4.5-inch thick, flat suitcase shape with an ergonomic handle for convenient transportation. We have to admit that those who've been using this workbench for quite some time suggest that it hadn't been so well suited to the heavy-duty claims. Still, it can be a candidate for the best overall workbench. This table has a 1,000-pound weight capability, but is relatively simple to assemble with legs that tuck inside. The built-in clamps and lower shelf were convenient, but the small design also makes it easy to store. The most significant advantage is that despite the lack of non-slip feet, it is extremely stable in use. If there's one flaw, it's that the clamp guides aren't as smooth or as simple to use as we'd like. Number 4. Worx WX066 Sidekick Portable Work Table. Worx's portable workbench weighs only 12.6 pounds, allowing customers to transport it from the workshop to the yard for an outdoor project or load it into the vehicle for a trip to the job site. A high-quality, lightweight plastic tabletop can withstand a lot of abuse. Steel metal legs with rubber soles create a solid non-slip base capable of supporting up to 300 pounds, and the bench top has 4 pegs for convenient clamping and useful guidelines molded into the surface for measuring. 2 sidekicks can be linked together to form a larger table or connected to Worx' larger Pegasus portable workstation. The Worx Sidekick immediately became one of our favorite models during the review process. First, despite its unusual 2-piece form, it was simple to assemble and fairly stable. In addition, the work surface is littered with measurements and references for improved efficiency. We particularly like that we can connect it to other Worx tables and that the bench dogs included are of the highest quality. The only complaint is that this model doesn't include squeeze clamps. Number 3. Black+Decker Workmate Portable Workbench. Since its introduction in the 1970s, the Black+Decker Workmate has served as a mobile work surface for both weekend warriors and professionals. Much of its design is still in place today. The iconic foldable metal frame and wide-set legs of the Workmate form a rock-solid base. The hardwood work surface also functions as a large and adaptable vise that can handle huge items. The vice's rotating pegs and twin-handle controls allow it to be positioned to hold irregularly shaped objects. The Workmate Workbench has 2 height settings to accommodate a variety of jobs. Its robust, heavy-gauge steel frame can support up to 350 pounds, and rubber feet keep this workbench firmly in place. When the workday is done, this 15-pound portable machine folds flat for simple transport. But there are a few cons, too. Like assembling this workbench is a nightmare, and much of the bench is made of plastic. However, once constructed, it performs admirably. The built-in jaws are secure, and you'll appreciate how light it is at just 14 pounds. The Black+Decker Workmate isn't the most robust model on the list, but it has a lot to offer for the price. Number 2. Worx Pegasus Folding Work Table and Sawhorse. The Worx Pegasus is a fantastic choice for DIYers with limited space or professionals working at a distant project site because of its lightweight adaptability for varied applications and durable structure. When in work table mode, this workstation made of high-quality plastic with lockable legs can sustain up to 300 pounds. For large dimensional lumber, a set of fast clamps and holding clamps that work with 2 T-strips integrated into the workbench give enough clamping power. True to its name, the Pegasus can fold its wings down, transforming it into a sawhorse capable of carrying up to 1,000 pounds. This workbench has a little storage compartment on the underside for supplies or power strip too. And this workstation is only 5 inches thick when folded, making it easy to put into the back of a vehicle despite weighing 30 pounds. Still, I think the biggest pro of the Pegasus is that it requires practically no assembly, which is a huge advantage over the other models. It was simple to assemble and disassemble, and the sliding latches that attach the wings are a wonderful concept. We also liked how it has built-in clamps that store under the wings and bench dogs to hold workpieces in place. The fact that you could connect this table to other work tables to create a larger workspace seamlessly is also truly amazing and practical. It's very simple to remove the wings and utilize this table as a sawhorse. Our only concern is that at 30 pounds, it should include a carrying handle. Number 1. Black+Decker BDST 11000 Workmate. And here we arrive at the top of the list. And don't be confused that the Workmate is twice on the list, but this one is bigger than the previous one and can bear 550 pounds of weight. And this is its biggest appeal. This particular model can bear the weight of your project, your own weight, and likely the weight of any pressure you could possibly apply over the course of a home project. It can take up to 550 pounds. Additionally, it features simple, quick clamps and is easy to fold and carry, even if you have only one free hand. This has an easy assembly process too. There are only 6 bolts to attach, 4 to secure the larger bamboo work surface, and 2 for the smaller one. Everything else is already assembled. It has a quick adjust feature for gross adjustments to close large empty distances between the clamping surfaces of the Workmate and the workpiece, and once one gets these in proper position for clamping, one simply switches to the 2 side knobs to firmly tighten down on the workpiece. It's truly a great feature. The heavy gauge steel of which it's constructed, combined with the intelligent structural design of the folding mechanism, make for a workbench that is rock steady to use. Quality, functionality, and portability make it the best portable workbench available. That's it for today, guys. Like and share the video and comment on which portable workbench you prefer. All the product links are given in the description below, so make sure to check them out. I'll be back with more of the best products soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon to get a notification of our latest video. Till then, keep exploring.